Hello, and welcome to the daily message for today. Today, I want to reflect briefly on the first reading for the liturgy for today, the Wednesday of the 16th week in Ordinary Time. The reading is taken from the 16th chapter of the book of Exodus. It is the story of the first few days and weeks of the journey of the chosen people through the desert, a journey that would last 40 years. We know that this time was a time of preparation for the chosen people, a preparation for them to enter the promised land. And in this story today, we can see that the chosen people, didn't do very well. They grumbled against God. They grumbled against Moses and Aaron because they didn't have enough to eat. But the people's grumbling didn't stop God from doing what he wanted to do and needed to do for the chosen people. He fed them with the manna and the quail and made sure that they were taken care of. And why did he do that? He did that because God had great plans for the chosen people. He knew that in their future, they would settle in the land of Canaan and they would establish the nation of Israel. So what does this reading have to do with us? God has great plans for each one of us, just as he had great plans for the chosen people. But there are times when we grumble, so to speak, when we place barriers between ourselves and God's plan for us. Sometimes that barrier is self-doubt. We don't believe that we have much to offer. Or that barrier might be fear. That barrier might be anger. And so this reading reminds us that we need to place all of our trust in God, that we need to look for the manna and the quail, so to speak, that we need to play our part in God's plan, and then to do what God asks of us today and tomorrow as we seek to realize the reign of God in our world. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day today.